Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to see how you can programmatically trigger an SMS AI agent in Python. By the end of this video, you'll have an SMS AI agent that handles cart abandonment by following up with customers that dropped off during an online purchase. It can be triggered programmatically by your Python application over HTTP. First, let's build the agent. Head over to AI Studio, open Vibe Agent, and start typing your prompt to define what the AI agent should do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered SMS AI agent that messages shoppers when they abandon their cart. The agent should send a friendly reminder, mention the items left behind, and share the checkout link. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once ready, click Publish to activate your SMS agent. Now open the API request trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API auth ID and API auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API request details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever the trigger condition occurs. Next, click on the language dropdown on the right. For this video, let's select Python. Plivo generates a ready-made Python snippet that already includes the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and the payload fields you just defined. Use this snippet as a standalone Python script or from within your Python application to make an HTTP post request to the agent endpoint whenever a cart is abandoned. For example, when a user leaves your checkout page without completing payment. Now let's test it locally. Create a new file, paste the Python snippet into it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a post request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your SMS AI agent. And the user who had dropped off automatically receives an SMS on their phone. And that's it. Your SMS AI agent for cart abandonment is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your Python code calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the agent and send the SMS automatically, without your team lifting a finger.